What is Salesforce CPQ? Let's find out everything about it in next 60 seconds. Salesforce CPQ stands for Configure, Price and Quote. It can help you sell complex products and services with ease by integrating with your Salesforce CRM system and providing you with a product configurator. The product configurator guides you through the process of selecting the right products and features for each customer. And once the products and features have been selected, Salesforce CPQ automatically generates a quote. Salesforce CPQ can also handle complex pricing scenarios, taking into account optional features, customizations, quantities and discounts. Let's take an example to understand it. Consider a software company that offers a variety of products, each with different features and pricing options. A sales rep at this company needs to generate a quote for a customer who wants to purchase a software package with specific features. So, the sales rep would use Salesforce CPQ to select the appropriate software package and features based on the customer's needs. Salesforce CPQ would then automatically generate a quote that includes the price for the selected software package and features, taking into account any applicable discounts or special pricing. This allows the sales rep to provide the customer with an accurate quote quickly and efficiently.